Hello, welcome to this video. I'm previous tutor. In this video, we'll be looking at chemistry, science 2019. The question says, B1, matter is made up of three basic units. State the three basic units of matter. So we have molecule, we have ion, also have atom. Give the basic units of matter contained in common salt. Those are ions. Common salt, remember, it's sodium chloride, and sodium here is an ion, and chloride is an ion. Noble gases like argon are made up of one of the basic units of particles. State the basic unit particles in noble gases. These are atoms or molecules. All right. The table below shows the description of substance A, B, and C. That's question B2. A. A1, give the physical state of each. Now, when you say give the physical state, it's either solid, liquid, or gas. Now, we have particles occupy any space available. B says particles closely packed. Particles move randomly within space of substance. So, particles here can occupy any space available. That's gas. Particles closely packed, that's solid. Particles move randomly within the space of the substance, that's liquid. How can substance C attain the structure of substance A? How can C, which is liquid, attain this structure of a gas? How? When you evaporate a liquid, what happens? It turns into a gas. So it's through what? Through evaporation. Through evaporation. That's C to A. Substance B is said to be pure substance. Give the characteristics which proves that substance B is a pure substance when melting. So when a substance is said to be pure when its melting point is constant, okay, or remains the same. B3 says the diagrams below show atoms of sodium and chlorine. This is sodium, that's chlorine. State the type of bond that exists in the compound formed when the two elements are combined. Now, keep in mind, sodium is a metal, chlorine is a non-metal. So when a metal and a non-metal combine, they form an ionic bond. All right? So this is ionic bond. Don't say bonding, eh? The question says bond. The other name for ionic bond is electrovalent bond. Either way is correct. Draw the structure of the compound formed when sodium and chlorine combine. What structure is formed when chlorine and sodium combine? They form sodium what? Sodium chloride. Now they want to draw the structure of the compound. So this is how we're going to draw it. Now remember, sodium is a metal. So sodium, there's this ion, so there's that electrons in the last shell. So it will be lost. Remember, chlorine has 7 electrons in the outer shell, so it will come here. All right. That electron will move from here to come here because metals lose electrons. So that here they are 8. So the compound that we're going to form it will be like this. We're going to have there. So that sodium has remained with 8. Okay. Okay. Then we have the first one here. We have that, Have the second one. There we have this. So keep in mind. Then we have the last one. Remember, there's this electron that has come from sodium. You also have to include it. But also chlorine has what? So now you show that this guy has lost one electron, like that. State the chemical formula for sodium chloride. Chemical formula is that sodium chloride. Good. Why? Because sodium is losing one electron and chlorine is accepting one electron. So when these two swap, you only have that. Right. Then C. Explain in terms of bonding and structure why sodium chloride has the following properties. One, a very high melting point. Why does sodium chloride have a high melting point? One, the bonds are strong, all right? Hence, they need more energy to break. High electric conductivity when molten. So it's when molten, the ions are mobile now. They are able to move. The ions are mobile, which carry electrons. Good. Thank you so much for watching the previous tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And if you want private lessons, contact me. I'll put the number here. Sorry about that. That's my number. You can call me.